Servicenow versus Jira versus Code. Best CRM and Business Management Tool 2025. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to compare and tell you about the pros and cons of Servicenow, Jira, and Code. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, let's talk about ServiceNow. It is a cloud-based platform designed for its service management, ITSM, and business process automation. One of its biggest strengths is its ability to streamline workflows through automation, making it a great choice for enterprises. It also integrates well with other tools, improving overall efficiency. However, ServiceNow requires technical expertise for customization, and its pricing can be high for small businesses. Now, moving on to Jira. It is a project management tool widely used for issue tracking and agile workflows. Jira is highly flexible, allowing teams to customize workflows and manage projects efficiently. It integrates well with various development and collaboration tools. However, its interface can be complex for beginners, and managing large scale projects may require additional configuration. Finally, let's talk about Code. Unlike ServiceNow and Jira, Code is an educational platform focused on teaching coding to students. It provides interactive lessons and beginner friendly courses. Code is free and widely used in schools. However, it lacks business management features and is not designed for CRM or enterprise use. So that's basically the main differences between ServiceNow, Jira, and Code, which will help you in choosing the right one for you. So that's all for this video.